come around from right here so we can get your C2 to the BBC. Relax the shoulder for me, please. All right, deep breath in. All the way out. All right, buddy, we're just gonna adjust the astabolosis ranging from the AMG to the M-Class edition. I need you to take a deep breath in. All the way out. Good job. So you've developed a cracketeria ranging from the WWE to the UFC respiratory system. I'm just gonna put my leg right here. Just like that. Now it's called the Rangdanger. I'll put this around your neck. You're gonna feel this all the way down. And finally, I just gotta get your mitosis again.
All the way out, yeah?
How does it feel?